Dear friends and students, this is Prakash Saraf from Saraf Gurukul Private Limited, Kolkata. We are providing training classes for national and international courses for more than 20 years. In national courses, we are dealing with CA, CMA, CS, and in international courses, we are giving training classes for CIMA UK and CMA US. I am focusing today mainly on two international courses, CIMA UK and CMA US. They are the career opportunities in management accounting and finance. For why these courses will be helpful in your future growth, I want to give you one example. You all have heard about Maggi, their product affected due to quality issues. The company even did not know this, the problem in Maggi, even for 10-15 years, or you can say 20 years. But if this issue is there, and if the company knows this beforehand, then the company could have managed this issue before it is coming in the limelight. We know about Volkswagen car company also. There is a problem in their quality issue. So we are analyzing in today's environment, the organizations are facing different types of problems as well as opportunities. If those problems they know beforehand, there is an internal control procedure, there is a system, a management, a group which can identify on regular basis these problems and take immediate or remedial action beforehand, then the company will not be suffering so much. We know that because of this Maggi issue, the revenue of the company, the bottom line of the company is affected by 50%. With this example, I want to share with you all, in this today's competitive global environment, the organizations are facing opportunities and problems in different areas. IFRS, risk management, financial derivative management, strategic issues, operational issues, management issues. So, our qualification should be such that it should include all these areas. And to cover these all areas, there are two courses which will give you in-depth knowledge in both of these areas, in entire areas with these two qualifications, that is CIMA UK and CMA US. For IFRS, we know that 95% of the globe has already accepted IFRS, and down the year, 1 or 2 years, the entire globe will accept the IFRS. So student or professionals should have sound knowledge of IFRS. Risk, relating to risk, we say two things. There are two types of risk: pure risk, speculative risk. Pure risk, where the organization can only suffer losses. So the organization should be avoiding those pure risk and should minimizing the effect of those pure risk. Relating to speculative losses, if we take some calculative risk, we can increase our earnings potential. The opportunities will increase. So organization need to take risk, but in calculative manner. Relating to risk, we also want to focus on internal control issues, corporate governance, corporate social responsibility, CSR, environmental reporting, environmental accounting, total quality management. There are many issues which organizations are facing today, which they have never faced earlier. We say that globalized environment, use of machinery, use of technology, less labor, this environment we can have a place in the corporate only when if we have sound knowledge of those important areas which are hot topic today and they will remain hot topic in coming years also. To cover these portions, all these portions, there are two courses. One is Chartered Institute of Management Accountant UK and the second is CMA US. Chartered Institute of Management Accountant UK. The institute is established for the last 100 years. They will be celebrating their 100th anniversary in 2019. The course is conducted in 179 countries. You can give exam on any day. According to your preparation, you can give exam on any day. If you are efficient, you can complete the entire course in just 2 years. That is, you start the course once you entered into graduation and you can complete the course even before graduation. If you have already professional qualifications in your kitty, like you are a CA, you are an MBA, you are an MCom, then in the total course there are 17 papers. You will be getting exemption of 12 papers. Balance 5 papers you can give in just 1 year. If you are a CMA from India qualified member, then in that case, out of 17 paper, 16 papers are exempt. You need to give only one single paper exam, which can be easily done in 6 months. So, if you have some knowledge, some professional qualification, the course is designed as such, those things which you have studied, you are given exemption, so that you can accelerate in the course and can complete the qualification as early as possible. You will be getting global opportunities around the world, like today in HP, there are 150 CIMA part qualified students are required. There are corporates, KPMG, PwC, Deloitte, Accenture, Capgemini require CIMA in different around the year. There are corporates, industries, manufacturing organizations, banking sector, where you will find opportunities by doing CIMA in India and abroad. I want to share with all of you, in globe, 500 Fortune companies, every company require CIMA in their organization to grow their organization at higher level. So if you study CIMA, it will be very helpful for you to grow your career at an accelerated pace. The other course is CMA US. It includes only 2 papers, part 1, part 2. Part 1 can be completed in 4 months. Part 2 can be completed in next 4 months. So you will be able to complete the entire CMA US course just in 8 months. You will be getting job opportunities on pan-India basis, 3 to 4 lakh in just 8 months after doing this course. If you do CMA US from outside India, say example Nepal or Bhutan, because you don't require passport and visa, you will be getting Indian CMA degree by default free. And with the Indian CMA degree, you can straight away directly enroll to CIMA UK, in which you need to give only one single paper, that is a strategic case study in 6 months. So CMA US and CIMA, you will be able to complete in 1 year and 2 months only. By completing these 2 qualifications, you will be having CIMA UK, CMA US, AICPA US, CGMA, Chartered Global Management Accountant, CMA from Canada, and Australian CPA. That is the degree part you will be getting. And the opportunities which you will be getting in your life, just by giving 1.25 year, all the opportunities you will get. So I will recommend all the professionals, those who are doing job, those who are doing business, and undergraduates, those who are completing their graduation, they can complete these 2 qualifications easily. The pass percentage in both the courses is around 30 to 40%. And we are the learning partner, certified learning partner for these 2 courses, are providing classes around the globe, and our pass percentage is greater than 80%. If you have any queries, relating to these two courses, you please WhatsApp us, mail us, you can SMS us, you can contact with us through our website www.sarafgurukul.org. You can do on your own Google search also. You can go to seemaglobal.com website also. It will help you to know what is the opportunities by doing these two courses. We are teaching these courses for the last 5 years, and believe me, what I am experiencing in these two courses is exceptional. I am giving you one last example. Like suppose whenever where we are studying professional courses, suppose we are dealing with activity-based costing. In activity-based costing, it is given that the organization has different types of activities. These are the cost driver. This is the cost. We divide the rate. We find out the rate, and whatever the consumption of driver in different product, we find out the overhead cost. But in SEMA, they will be giving you a case study before the exam, 40 to 50 days before the exam. In that case study, they will give you the detail relating to the organization's product, how the organization is established, what are the areas where the organization is functioning, its board of directors, its financial, PL account, balance sheet, notes to accounts, statement of changes in equity, its competitors, and then they will be asking in the question in exam like this: whether the company should employ ABC. If the company will employ ABC, what will be the benefit to the organization? How the company can employ ABC? If the company wants to apply ABC, what are the areas the company needs to change? That is change management issues, strategic issues. If the company employ ABC, what are the accounting areas the company needs to change? So it is actually what we are required to do when we will be doing job or we are doing our own business. It is actually that thing. It is not just question and answer. It will increase your knowledge potential. It will increase your employability. When you will go for interview, what the employer will ask, you will be able to share your views in a proper manner. You will be able to give benefit to the organization in long run. So your employability will increase. So these are the courses which does not require huge time spent, less time course, and will give you ample of opportunities in coming days. So all the best to all of you. If there is any problem, contact with us through our website, through print media, through Facebook, Twitter. We are there everywhere, and we are ready to help you in all the management and financial accounting areas which you require. Thank you.